Now coming to the next question, that is question number 12. If Mohit is facing the sports club and turn in anti-clockwise direction to face the airport, what angle did he turn through? So Mohit was here and he was facing, it's called sports club. This was the sports club and he has to turn anti-clockwise direction to reach to the airport. So how much degree he rotated we have to tell. So this much is 180 degree and this 180 plus 45 will be 225 degrees. Okay, so correct answer for this question will be option number A, that is 225 degrees. Now moving further to the question number 13, which point is in southwest of M? So this is M, this is our M, and this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west direction. So southwest will be this direction and the point is point O. Okay, correct option will be option number C, that is O. Next question, coming to question number 14. Who is standing in the northeast of Puneet? Okay, so this is our Puneet and north direction is this one and east direction is this one. Okay, so now in between north and east we have northeast. Okay, so this is the correct answer, that is Vineet. Vineet is standing to the northeast of Puneet. Option number B is the correct answer. Moving further to the question number 18. Yash is facing toward the bus stop now. If he takes 3 1/8 turn anti-clockwise, then he will be facing. So earlier the Yash was facing the bus stop, this one, and he took 3 1/8 turn anti-clockwise. So complete 3 turn means was what? 3 times like this 1. Okay, complete 3 turns is 360, 360 turns. Okay, 360 turns. So one turn, then second turn, and third turn. Okay, this was the first what Yash did, and after that he took a 1/8 turn, and 1/8 turn means what? 1/8 of 360 will be 45 degrees, and 45 degrees can we represent? Yes, we can represent like this. This is our 45 degree. Half of 90 will be 45 degree, and that is to an anti-clockwise direction. So then he will be facing the library. Okay, correct answer will be option number B, library. Now coming to the question number 21. Rishi is facing the temple. He turns 90 degree anti-clockwise and then turns 135 degree clockwise. What will he be facing now? So first of all, Rishi was facing temple and took the 90 degree anti-clockwise, then 135 degree clockwise. Okay, where is the temple? Let us first find. And anti-clockwise direction means what? This is clockwise. Okay, and this is anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction will be this, and it is 90 degrees. And after that 135 degree clockwise direction. So 135 degree clockwise direction will be, this is 90 plus 45, okay, will be 135. So he will reach school. Correct answer for this question is option number C, that is school. Okay, now coming to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 25. In the given clock, if the minute hand rotates 270 degree anti-clockwise, in the given clock, if the minute hand rotates 270 degree anti-clockwise, then in which direction will it point? So this is our clock and this is our minute hand, this is our hour hand. Okay, and the question is saying that if the minute hand rotates 270 degree anti-clockwise, so this is the anti-clockwise direction, and in which direction, and the rotation will be 270 degree. So this will be 180, and 180 plus 90 will be 270. This rotation is 270 degrees. And now which direction that hand is facing? It is towards east. So correct answer for this question will be option number B, that is east direction. So that's all for this exercise. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.